Welcome everybody to the WeGetFinancing podcast. Today we have CEO and founder Stéphane Touboul, and we will be talking about something that really I think is very important to merchants in the retail industry today, which is how can consumer financing help your retail sales and your business growth. So Stéphane, thank you so much for being here.
Great to be here.
So why don't we take it back a little bit to credit cards before we get into the world of buy now, pay later. So if you had a merchant who were to ask you, will buy now, pay later jeopardize my credit card sales? I'm curious kind of how you would respond to them and what you would say about credit cards to them.
Well, credit cards have been the medium or the payment tool, instrument that people have been using for now decades.
Yep.
And it became almost like an instinct to use your credit card when you ask how you want to pay.
Sure.
Right. What happens is that it depending on the type of purchase you're going to be making. Sometimes it makes sense to use your credit card.
Sure.
Especially if you have the ability to repay the purchase at the end of the month. Especially if the credit card is giving you points, rewards, miles, things that you were interested in when you sign up for that credit card. But on the other end, if the purchase is in the amount that you might have a problem paying off at the end of the month,
yep,
then it might be interesting to look at other tools. Buy now, pay later can be a good solution, meaning that you can spread your payment over 4 payments, 8 payments, sometimes a longer term loan. And then you're not going to be carrying forward a balance on your credit card. And these APR, those interests on the credit card, can be really expensive.
Yeah.
So that it might be a smart way to complete your purchase by using a buy now, pay later option versus your credit card. Now, if somebody's going to be able to pay that purchase at the end of the month, then they'll use their credit card.
Right.
Right. But if they're not going to be able to pay the credit card, they might decide not to make that purchase.
Yeah.
So having a buy now, pay later option at checkout for merchants could mean making a sale, not making a sale.
Right, which is why it wouldn't actually jeopardize sales. It could actually, having a buy now, pay later, to what you're saying, could actually bring in new revenue, more revenue, because you're opening it up to customers who might not be in a position to utilize a credit card.
Right, so it just gives the customer another option to complete that purchase without taking on possibility of carrying forward balance at very expensive daily compounded interest.